Okay, good morning to everyone. In the last class, we have discussed with the first and follow. We have discussed the follow only one or two problem we have discussed. We will continue some basic problems with respect to the follow, and we will go to the exact problem. Okay, so in the follow only, once again. So the one more problem we'll take. You can write on A implies follow. This is follow problems. We are going to continue once again. This is with respect to the follow. A implies, I'm going to take it as what, X, B, C, D. I'm going to continue my production. C implies small c or epsilon. I'm going to take. So I'm going to continue my production. D implies D, or I'm going to take it as what, epsilon. If you completed this problem, you just inform me. We will move to the solution. Once you copy this question, so I'll make the size 14. Once you completed this one, you just inform me. I'll move to the solution. This is what with respect to follow. Yesterday we have discussed one or two problems. We will continue with the basic problems and we'll start with the exact problem. Once you completed the question, you just inform me.
Completed, sir.
Okay, look here. See, whenever we used to solve the follow problems, so in the yesterday itself, I told you that you will be getting three important steps. Which are the three important steps? Step one is, you don't write this all those things. Step one, you are going to get it as what? That is, we are going to place dollar. We are going to place the dollar symbol. We are going to place the. Once again, I'm going to make the size. We are going to place dollar. So place the dollar in follow of S. So that is with respect to the starting state. That means that where S is the start symbol. So that we will solve in the problem. I'll tell you that when the dollar will come, and the dollar indicates that it is a input right end marker. Right end marker. This is with respect to your step 1. When it comes to the step 2, so we need to check the production of the form. A implies that is alpha B beta. It should be in the form alpha next is beta. So whenever the production is of the form A implies alpha B beta, so what we will be doing in this particular case, whatever this one I'm going to get, that is follow of B which is equal to first of beta, we will be substituting the value except epsilon. We will not consider epsilon part, except epsilon. Till now I have not solved the problem, just I am telling what are the steps to be followed. In the step 3, so the last step is step 3. So if the production of the form A implies implies alpha B, only this much. There is no beta. So in that particular case, what we will be taking, whenever the first of beta is your epsilon, as usual, you know, first of beta you know, that is your epsilon part. So in that particular case, what we are going to take is follow of A, which is equal to follow of B, follow of B, which is equal to follow of A. This is what three steps we will be following whenever we need to solve the problem. So now we will solve the exact problem. What we will be solving? We will be solving the exact problem solution. So if you see this particular case solution, let it be in this particular case down. So A implies X, B, C, D. In that particular case, if you see in this particular case, that is you are going to get the form A implies A implies alpha B beta. So in this particular case, if you see the problem, you first what you got, A implies X, B, C, D. If you see X, B, C, D, it is all non-terminal. Non-terminal means which are represented in the capital letter. Directly you will not get the terminal in this particular case. So alpha I am going to take it as what here? X I will be taking. B I am going to retain it as B. What about beta? Beta I am going to take it as what? CD. So the production is of second step. If you see in that particular case, it is all in the form of step 2. The form is in the form of step 2. So what I am going to do in this particular case, the follow of B, what I'm going to get, which is equal to first of beta. Anyone you tell me what is the beta value you got from the question? Compare it. Alpha is your X value. B is nothing but we are going to retain B value. What about beta value? Beta value is your huh?
CD.
CD, yes.
CD.
So I'm correct. First of CD I'm going to take. So if you see in this particular thing, now we need to calculate for first of CD. First of CD means we need to apply the logic of your first follow, that is first set. So first means we need to check with respect to the terminals. Wherever we are going to calculate the first, we need to concentrate more on your terminals part. If you see the production in the C part, what is the terminal you will be getting in the C? What you will be getting in the C implies what you got? Terminal. See the production C. What the production C you got?
C epsilon.
C epsilon. Okay, I'm going to write small c and epsilon. Okay, small c and epsilon. Okay, what about D? D is also there. First of D, if you see any terminals, you will be getting
D epsilon.
D epsilon. That means that in the second step, he has told that we need to calculate the first except your epsilon. I have written the step 2. If you see that we have to remove the epsilon part whenever the production of the form A implies alpha B beta. So we are going to calculate the terminal part except your epsilon, so that you are going to get the result as only CD. Have you understood, or shall I repeat it once again? Have you understood, or shall I repeat it once again, this problem? So we will not take any epsilon part here. Why? Because in the step 2 only is told that except epsilon, we need to take it as what? Except epsilon, we need to take the other terminals part. Have you understood, or shall I explain this problem once again? Rohan, Sai, Pratima, Vivek, have you understood, or shall I explain this problem once again?
Understood, sir.
Okay, Sai, Pratima, Shreya, Vivek.
Understood, sir.
Understood,
Okay.
sir.
Complete this one. We will move to the next basic problem. Once you completed, you just inform me. Any other students, if you got any doubts, you can ask me. If you don't have any doubts, you can copy this problem. We'll move to the next basic problem. Once you completed, you just inform me. We will move to the next problem. If you're completed, you just inform me.
Done,
We
sir.
will. Okay. Okay, we will move to the next problem then. Already yesterday I solved this third problem. A implies XB. So I'm going to continue my production. I'll stop here. So everyone look here. Don't write anything. Just observe here. Everyone look here. Don't write anything. The next problem we will be taking only A implies XB. If you see this particular format, A implies alpha B beta. So if you see this particular form, what you are going to get the alpha value? Alpha value will be getting X. B you are going to get it as what? B. But what you will be getting beta value in this particular case? Beta value you are going to get it as what? Epsilon. Beta value you will be getting as what here? Epsilon. You will agree? If you see this particular format, that is A implies XB, that is as usual in the step 3. If you see the step 3, what I told, it is in the form A implies alpha B. But in this particular case, we have not given any beta value. That means that beta is equal to epsilon we are going to consider here. In that particular case, so what we will be doing is just we are going to follow of B, which is equal to follow of A. Just to write on this one while solving the problem, I'll tell you that, because in this particular case you don't have any terminals to get the solution. Just only they have given non-terminal part in the question. If you see A implies XB is there. I will repeat once again. If you see in this particular problem, no small letters they have given. That is terminal part, all those things. Whatever the result you are going to get, the result we need to calculate with the terminal part itself. But if you see this particular problem, A implies XB is given. So if you are going to compare that particular step with your step 3, that is A implies alpha B. So beta value they have given B. If you are going to find in this particular case, beta value is equal to epsilon means, so you will be applying the direct formula called follow of B, which is equal to follow of A. Just to write this one while solving the problem, I'll teach you what is this follow of B, which is equal to follow of A. So once you completed this one, you just inform me these two steps. This is a formula if you are going to get beta value is equal to epsilon. So we will be applying follow of B, which is equal to follow of A. Once you completed, you just inform me. We will move to the one more basic problem and we'll move to the question paper problem. This formulas I'll tell you now. Follow of B, which is equal to follow of A. While solving the problem, you'll understand how it is equal, all those things. Just to write on the formula now. If we are going to get in this particular case, we will be substituting the formula follow of B, which is equal to follow of A. Once if you are completed, you just inform me. Once you completed, you just inform me. We'll move to the next problem. Shall I move to the next problem? Completed. Shall I move to the next problem? Rohan, Vivek, Sai Pratima, other students.
Understood, sir.
Okay, we will move to the next problem. Fourth one. A implies X, B, C, D. Once again, I am going to take small e. So I am going to continue my production. C implies small c or epsilon. I am going to take epsilon. I am going to continue my production once again. D implies small d or epsilon. Just to copy the question, we will solve the problem. Once you copied the question, you just inform me. This is what the question they have given. D will not take any epsilon. Okay. Once you copied this question, you just inform me. Once you copied, you just inform me. We will move to the solution.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't write anything, just observe here. Everyone observe here. See, if you see the question, you will be getting A implies X, B, C, D, B, E. Okay, we will first what we will be doing, we will be calculating the form of A implies alpha beta. So in this particular case, first I am going to take alpha as your alpha is equal to, I am going to take it as what, X, and I am going to take B value as B itself. Remaining you need to get beta value. So beta value, I'm going to take it as beta is equal to complete thing B, C, D, E. So for this, so you will be solving the problem in the two ways. I'll show you. This is what the first way. So if you see in this particular case, solution. So as usual, you know, follow of B, which is equal to first of beta. First of beta. So can you tell me what is the beta value in this particular case? First possible case. What you will be getting beta value? C, D, B, C, D, B, E I am going to get. So if you see the first of C, you have to check. In the first of C, any terminals you got? In the first of C, you check. I want response. Tell me in the first of C, if you see, what terminal you got?
A small c and epsilon.
So small c and
Small c.
epsilon, since we need issue it in the second format, we should not take epsilon. I'm going to just write C. Okay, what about D? In the D, what terminal you got?
Small d.
Small d. So this is what one possible case, and you can ask me, sir, B is there? No, sir. E is there? No, sir. So whatever the thing, if you're going to see, this is we have solved with respect to the first part. So what this is what your first part, that is A is equal to substitution. A is equal to alpha, B beta, that is alpha is equal to X, B is equal to B, and beta is equal to 1. That is what first. For that particular solution, I'm going to arise this one particular case. One more possible case you are going to get. I'll show you once again here. In this particular case, you are going to get B and E. So in that particular B and E, you can take one more format like A implies so once again alpha B beta I'm going to take. So in that particular case, I can take in this particular case alpha as complete thing I am going to take. Okay. So B I can take it as once again I can take B is equal to B. Why? Because you are going to get 2 B's here. If you see this particular case, you will be getting 2 B's here. So for the second B, I am going to calculate now. Beta you will be getting now as small e you will be getting. Beta you are going to get it as what? Small e. In this particular case, so for the second, so I am going to take it as follow of B, which is equal to first of beta. First of beta. If I'm going to take first of beta, so if you see first of beta, what you got in this particular case, first of beta means what you will be getting? First of small e. So e indicates your small letter only you got in this particular case, so that I'm going to retain the terminal as it is. So I'm going to retain the terminal as it is. This is with respect to the second case, second one. So with respect to this particular case, I have taken second. So 1 plus 2 I am going to take it now. So 1 plus 2 result you are going to get it as what? If you are going to make combine follow of B, which is equal to follow of D, which is equal to you are going to get the C D. Have you understood this problem, or shall I repeat it once again? Because if you see in this particular problem, 2 B's you got. So 1 B I am going to take it in. If you see first one, I am going to split alpha B beta in that particular case. In the second case, I am going to split in this particular case, so that you are going to get the 2 solutions. So in the last, I am going to combine the 2 solution. I am going to arrive the solution follow of B, which is equal to C comma D comma E. Have you understood, or shall I repeat it once again? Understood, or shall I repeat it once again? Each step by step have written. Aman Verma, Priya DC, Priyanka, Rachana.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about Priya DC, Priyanka, Rashmi? Yes. Navanita. See, you need to analyze. Navanita, tell me. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you understood, you can start writing. If you got any doubts, you can ask me. So complete this problem. We'll move to the exact problem, what they are going to ask in your examination. If you completed, you just inform me. We will move to the exact problem. If you completed, you just inform me.
Completed, sir.
Okay, we will move to the exact problem. What I want to do today. Write the heading as problems. First one, what they are going to ask in your question is, one second. Find the first and follow set for the following grammars. Find the first and follow set for the following grammar. They have given the grammar as E implies T E dash